And you know why I know that? You know why I know that, Parrot? Because you can't even bring yourself to kill me. What? Oh, we're aerial attack! Everyone back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! To the water! Everyone to the water! To the water!
Forcey's arrow cannon had worked perfectly. You see, by throwing a snowball into this chamber, it uses some complex math to fire a cluster shot of high-speed arrows wherever you're looking. And in less than a second, we had wiped out over 70% of the entire Cindercrest army. Troops, head to the front east side by the shore. They're going for a full-scale invasion. Theo, get ready for Shoebilly. Reyna, wipe them out. What is their plan? What are they doing? They just lost all of their troops.